What's up everybody? This video is going to be a quick video because one of you asked for it, and you know this channel is for helping with these cars or any car. So in this video I'm going to change my windshield washer fluid. I already have a video on explaining all of this in the engine bay. I'm going to leave it right here. So yes, now I'm going to change my windshield washer fluid. So as I showed you, I'm going to change my windshield washer fluid. Here is the reservoir, but in any other car you will find a reservoir with this sign right here, and you are going to know that is windshield washer fluid. So important, if you live in a hot country, it's okay to put water or any windshield washer fluid, but if you live in a cold country, you need to use a windshield washer for cold countries, or I think all season will do the job. Now I have this with water, but I'm gonna change it with windshield washer fluid. As I said, if you live in a cold country, you need to search for one that's set for cold country or all season. You need to read the specification of the washer fluid, but I'm going to use this one because I live in a hot country. So yes, now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do to change the water for the windshield washer fluid. So the only way I see to change all my washer fluid is to use the sprayers until this is empty. I know that is not going to do any bad to the little engine that is, little motor that is in here, because it's water cool and the water inside is going to cool that little motor. And yes, this washer fluid you can also mix it with water. So if you don't want to flush the water you have in here, you can mix it with the fluid, with a washer fluid, with a new washer fluid. So you can just put it there, and that's it. And if you only want to put water in it, you just put water in it, and that's it. But I'm going to empty that bottle and I'm going to put the new washer fluid. So I noticed that when you have the sprayers a lot of time on, they will shut off automatically. So just for precaution, when they shut, just leave it rest a little bit and then you can continue. So I do not remember if that happened in this Lancer, but just let it rest a little bit and then continue. So I just empty the bottle. So now I'm going to put the new washer fluid in there. So I just finished filling this up. As you can see, is on the full mark right here, in the full mark. I forgot to tell you that if you live in a cold country, you cannot have any water in here because the water will freeze and will expand, and it's going to break these containers. So if you live in a cold country, you need to have a special fluid for cold countries. So yes, I only need to close this and it's ready to use. So I hope it was helpful for you, this short video, this easy video. So like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.